good morning.
Yes, so we are back on the road.
Yeah, so we've just left the hops farm. We actually, after work, hung out there for a couple of days just to sort stuff, and the weather turned and it was very cold last night.
Yeah, it's been freezing. So first port of call is we need to go buy some winter stuff to keep us warm in the van for being back on the road.
Yeah, so we'll give that a go. But yeah, it was a good experience, but we're looking forward to moving on and enjoying the sunshine whilst we've got it.
Yeah, we're going to spend the next few days in Nelson, just sorting some bits out and having a look around Nelson because we haven't done that much. And yeah. Leaving the farm.
Goodbye, hops.
Bye, hops. Probably last time driving down here. Nice views on the way towards Mochueco. Mountains look good today.
Still a lovely area. We're in a valley, so that's why it's cold.
Yeah. Plus there's been lots of snow like further down on the South Island because it is unsheltered.
Yeah.
Yeah. Lots of views. My pool wharf is still really pretty, even when the tide is out. Coffee, and Dave got more coffee from our favorite place in Mapua. It's cold.
Hey. So what? Where are we?
The top 10 holiday park in Nelson.
Yeah. We've parked up. We've done a few bits today, although we're out of the sun. But yeah, we've done a few bits today. We've purchased a few things for when it starts getting colder.
Yeah, trying out an electric blanket.
Yeah, seeing how that goes. Currently it's running on the battery at high power for 2 hours we have to do that. And don't worry, we've only just left the van to look at where things are. But yeah, so that's saying 3 hours on high, but hopefully we'll be able to just leave it on like low.
Yeah, usually.
Usually, which will take just the edge off, and that will be, I think we have 11 hours at that, so that's a much nicer.
Yeah, it's an option for when we're non-powered and can't use the fan heater.
Yeah, but yeah. Then we're gonna probably go have some dinner. Well, cook some dinner. Yeah. Then gonna go see some of the guys we met at the hop farm because we're all in Nelson tonight.
Yeah, hopefully we can go for a drink or something.
And we'll go from there. Can I try? Can I try? Yeah.
Good morning. So we left really early because we have to get a service over there.
Yeah.
Went for a coffee and then went to Library for a bit. And it was all okay.
Yeah.
So gonna have a wander around Nelson now.
Yeah. We like it here. It's nice.
Yeah.
Do some of that.
Cool vibes. Lots of different food everywhere. Gonna go and try and find some. So we had a nice chilled day, just hanging out in Nelson, looking at all the opera shops and stuff, and out for some the local beach here. Dave's got a headache, so I'm just going to go for a wander in the sun before we then probably get some dinner and head to Mai Tai Valley. It's way cheaper, it's like $15 per person rather than $60 we paid yesterday. It's still really nice here. We've only been here once to this beach. It's the closest one to Nelson, but it's normally very, well, it's still windy, but very windy and very cold normally. But sunny still. The beach is just near Abel Tasman, so really nice. Brave people getting in the water over there. See all the way to the mountains of Abel Tasman. Good morning.
Hello.
So we had a quiet night at Mai Tai Valley campsite, and now we're going to go to Pics Peanut Butter World.
Yeah. I love peanut butter. I'm not that bothered by pigs, but you know, peanut butter.
And it's a free thing to do. So
Yeah. Right.
let's go see. We have made it into Nelson to Pics Peanut Butter World. Let's go see how they make.
So yeah. Fair enough. Peanut butter tour. That first peanut butter. All the random things you can get. You can get temporary tattoos. Why? Where'd you put it?
Where we go.
Yeah. Go. Yes. Oh, that's heavier than expected. It's all good.
His name is Pics. This is his company. Pretty easy, right? But Pics is a weird name. So that's why it doesn't really make sense. So he started in 2007, 16 years ago. And the main reasons were, one, he wanted peanut butter that wasn't Australia, followed by China, and then the UK. So for those overseas orders, we make to order. For New Zealand, we have around about 2 to 3 full-time engineers. Fixing it up. It looks like the village is taken, the widest village taken, obviously I don't know. The peanuts for 15 minutes, the whole roast time is just under an hour. Then the peanuts get a bit of a shake up, put a bit more than roasting soda. We roast there for around about 15 minutes at 150 degrees. And then the peanuts travel along the conveyor belt. Now I've got a fresh warm jar of peanut butter that I'd like, and please don't eat it. We don't mix smooth and crunchy together. I'd really like to say we...
Start lining up anyway, Bob. So Alex is going to make me some peanut butter. Peanut butter maker. I think that's enough. Now show me what you've made. say peanuts?
Shut up.
So they have solar. Which is pretty cool.
I mean, it's not sunny today.
No.
You lift the door, the ball zips out so you have to catch. Great. Now, is there anything in there? Thank goodness, because when there's not, it's really good. Squeeze it or pop it. Ready? And you have a paper tote bag. Yes, you're welcome. I'll keep the ball. That's good money.
So the tour was very good. Had some nice tastings at the end. Dave got his free bag because he asked a good question. Now I'm gonna have some coffee and a Pics peanut butter cookie.
That's with his chocolate.
Yeah.